York City. First game of the night, PC and Creighton.
Great atmosphere, doesn't it?
Energy and enthusiasm unknown to mankind right now. We got 40. We got 40. We ain't got time for nothing else but elite mindset, elite toughness, elite togetherness for this 40. Got me. Got 40 on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Off the heel, off the window rather, and big time kiss. Game, it's that when Todd is finished and win it.
Goodness. Help on the defensive end. Good pull. He got back too.
And takes the bump.
Presence.
Hands it off. Barron into a three.
Right, that little short. Look at this play. And a foul as well. That drop coverage.
Extra pivot and a nice scoop. Here, drive baseline, got reverse outed. Brady,
A little magic work defensively.
to the bucket.
Goodness gracious.
They reverse it.
Hey, yo, this is all you can ask for. No, man. This is all you can ask for. We got 324. We got 3.
Pierre, Oduro, mid-range off the window, and listen to these Providence Friars. Providence, they needed it, they get it. 78-73, they knock out the number 2 seed.
So, a great cigar.